Thinking of topping up a friend's pocket option account? Let's dive into how money transfers work on the platform, and if direct transfers are even an option, all in under 90 seconds. First, it's crucial to understand a fundamental aspect of most trading platforms like Pocket Option. Direct peer-to-peer money transfers between user accounts are typically not a standard feature. This is due to strict security protocols and financial compliance regulations designed to protect all users and prevent illicit activities. Pocket Option, like other reputable brokers, prioritizes the safety of its user funds and adheres to Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) policies. These regulations make direct transfers between individual accounts problematic. So, while you can't directly send funds into someone else's Pocket Option account, there are indirect methods. The most common way is for the recipient to deposit funds into their own account first, and then you can send them money through a more traditional payment channel like a bank transfer, e-wallets, or other supported payment systems. Once they have the funds in their Pocket Option account, they can then proceed with their trading activities. Always ensure you're both using secure and officially recognized payment methods. Remember, for specific details or if you encounter any issues, the best resource is always Pocket Option's official support. Stay informed and trade safely.